Imagine waking up to messages like, "We'll pay you $150 for a post," or, "Let's collaborate." It sounds like a dream, but it's real. I've done it by simply posting quotes online, even without a large audience. The key? A system. In this video, I'll show you how to make money sharing quotes, no matter where you are. Plus, I'll introduce an AI tool I've never shared before and free options to start with zero budget. Step 1. Choose a niche. Motivational, business, success, or fitness quotes perform best and attract high-paying brands. Step 2. Brand your page. Pick a clean username, design a sleek logo on Canva, and keep your bio short and impactful, like Daily Mindset Shifts. A well-branded page looks professional to sponsors. Step 3. Create viral content. Use ChatGPT to generate original, shareable quotes. Then, turn them into stunning AI videos with Sora. Select a 9:16 format for Reels and Shorts, download, and refine in Canva by adding text, animations, and a watermark. For music, generate unique tracks with Suno or use Canva's video library if Sora isn't accessible. Step 4. Post and grow. Upload 2-3 times daily on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. Use targeted hashtags and engage with similar pages for faster growth. 10K followers in 3 months is possible. Step 5. Monetize. Earn $50 $200 per sponsored post, promote affiliate products, sell shoutouts, or even create an ebook of your best quotes. With just 5K followers, you could make $1,800 per month through brand deals, shoutouts, and affiliate sales. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but with consistency, you can turn simple quotes into real income. Start now and build your empire one quote at a time.